crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine, and if you're in that part of the world that was affected by the polar vortex, please stay warm. And if you're new to my channel, this is a paper craft related channel and also an organizational channel. And if you're interested in watching those type of videos, just please don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And today's video, I am so excited because regardless of the low temperatures, after work, I went to the post office to pick up a package, and surprise, surprise, I received 2 more packages. So today's video is incoming happy mail, and I am going to flip my camera so you can see what I receive. I will be right back. Hi, so I am here with a package from Alisha and new pen pal from Love Letter Generation here in YouTube and in Instagram. I am going to leave her information in the description box below. So I'm very excited to open this package, and I sent her the package and I believe she posted a video of it, and believe it or not, I was like so excited that I forgot to film the package. I forgot to take pictures of what I sent to her, which is kind of a shame, but you know what? We all have those days. So let me go ahead and open this package off camera, and I will be right back. Okay, so I opened the package and I haven't picked anything, so let's take a look. Ooh, I'm gonna save these stamps. I also collect stamps. So I've never had stamps from Australia, so this is really cute. And ooh, I love the packaging. Oh my goodness. Oh, she sent me a card. How lovely. Let me see this. Oh, she's so sweet. Thank you, Alisha. And this looks so beautiful. And I know I've been watching her videos and I'm like, I wonder which one is gonna be mine, but let's see. Oh, how cute. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, goodies. Oh, how cute. How cute. And then take pictures this time so I don't forget. You know me, and she's like, oh, this is so gorgeous. Oh, look at this. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. So many goodies. Oh. I know, and I watched her video. I was like, you know, I sent her stuff, and she's like, oh my god, you sent too much. I'm like, no. I don't know, you know, for me, like when I admire someone, it's just like, you know, shower them with few things. And of course here in the States we get everything so cheap and discounted. I mean, Target had a huge like after Christmas sale, and I couldn't believe like how much, you know, I paid for things, and I was like, what is this crazy? But you know what, that's what it's here to live in the United States. We get a lot of oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she asked me about if I like. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love the packaging. Ooh, rose hip. Ooh, I love it. Okay, so this is the box. Oh, and she is, oh, look at that. I told her that I love pens, and this is so cute. Another one. Oh, look at this. The bear, how cute. And she sent me chocolates. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. Thank you. And oh, this is a oh, look at that. How cute. She made this herself. Wow. It was like the main squeeze. These are main squeeze chips. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and take a picture, and I'm sorry, but I'm going to be right back. I am filming at night, so sorry about the glare. Love these, but I probably have to take them out. So, wow, she sent me lots of goodies. Oh my goodness. Okay, so, oh, look at this chocolate. I'm like, should I have one chocolate right now? No. Let me wait, Karina. Be patient, be patient. So let's take a look at the handmade goodies. Oh, she put together this lovely, it's like a flip book. Oh yes, look at that, how cute. Oh, and it has, she used the Lala Love collection, but this is a really nice way to use it. Oh, how cute. In this fringe. I love it. Very cute. Oh my goodness, look at this. Happy Valentine's. Oh, it's like a pocket Happy Mail. How cute. Oh, she's giving me ideas. Oh, look at her embellishments. I remember seeing these embellishments in her Insta stories as well. Oh, these are so gorgeous. I want to open them up. I want to open them up. And definitely everything in person is just like so good. You know, sometimes, yeah, we take nice pictures or video. You know, it's just nothing like to get things in person. Oh, I love this topper. What an excellent idea. And look at these. I have to open these. Oh my goodness, how cute. She's just like layer after layer. How many layers? 1, 2, 3 layers. And some enamel dots. And she used a La La Love crepe paper collection. And I love these swan. How pretty. Oh, so cute. Very cute. I love it. So I'm going to put it inside here, and I might hoard these because that's how I am. All Happy Mails, things that I receive, I always like to keep everything intact, and unless if things are bulky, but I just love them. Okay. And then this book has a pocket, says, "Will you be mine?" Oh, I love the doggy. Oh, and she sent me 2 teas. Ooh, Melbourne breakfast. Yeah, I remember her asking me, "Are you a tea or a chocolate person or something?" Yeah. Oh, I love tea. Ooh, and this is loose leaf tea. Perfect. Yeah, I do. I love loose leaf tea as well as bag teas. We used to have a brand here in the States called Tivana. Not longer in existence, so that's where I used to get all my loose leaf. And oh, I love it. Okay, back to the flip book. And oh my goodness, I love this. This is like a clear pocket, really cute. And in this clear pocket, she included ephemera. How cute. Oh, you're my fave. Perfect, because mine are, it's like almost like running out. And I haven't found like crepe paper in Tuesday morning, so I haven't, and I'm refuse right now to buy things online because, you know, I have to use my supplies, so I have to live with what I have. And I know the La La Love collection is so gorgeous, but you know, thank you very much for sending me extras for next year. And I love these. These are like wood chips. Love it. Isn't this cute? Okay. Now, I don't have these type of paper clips. This is just so cute. Love. No, I have only hearts, like very small. But I love these ones. I haven't even seen this type of paper clips here in the States. With the word love. I love these. Oh, and these ones too. These are like flat jammies, but they're kind of like puffy. They're heart-shaped adhesive. They're pearls. That's what they're called. Yeah, I haven't seen pearls. I have like the little rhinestones, but nothing like pearls. This is gorgeous. Thank you. And she also sent me a sequins mix, and I love this baggie. How cute. You know, here in the States, I don't live close to a Daiso, so I cannot get like, you know, really nice baggies and perfect. Oh yes, love it. Thank you, thank you. And moving along, and I love these wooden letter word, and this definitely is gonna go in one of my shelves in my craft room, and I love it. Just gorgeous. And ooh, love the baggie too. She put like a clip, and then I love it. Oh, this is so gorgeous. See what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Oh, she gave me a garland. And it's a sewn garland. Oh, isn't this cute? I have one that I got at Target. I haven't made a video about it. But it's like a bigger heart. But I was like even thinking of maybe I should punch some hearts and make like a small garland for my other side of the craft room. Well, guess what? I don't have to do it. So because I have one, yay, yay, yay. I have one. Oh, I love it. Let me see how many hearts. Yeah, so cute. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, cute. Oh, thank you, thank you. Okay, so now let's take a look at all these baggies. Ooh, she sent me some washi tape. Ooh, I don't have these. Oh, arrows, and these are hearts, like golden hearts. I don't have golden hearts. I only had like black hearts, and that's it. So, oh, I love it. Let me see. Oh, perfect. Perfect. I love it. Thank you, thank you. And let's take a look at, I love this mask. She also asked me, you know, what kind of things do I like, which was really nice. I said I love stationery, and guess what? She got me these. I am crazy about pink. I love pink. And I don't have, believe it or not, a notebook, like a little notebook with pink pages. This is just so gorgeous. This is just the right size for that will fit all my purses. Thank you. And I love this pen, and it's pink. How cute. How cute. You see that? Nice. Very nice. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it. Thank you, thank you. And I just love this bear. Oh, I haven't seen something like this before. It's a big bear. Love it. Thank you, thank you. And I got this first package, and I love these almost like 70s wrapping paper. And the tool, oh, I love this tool. She got a couple of ephemeras here. Loving it. And I'm gonna save these, that's for sure. And you know me, I just want to open these. Oh, she did the same thing as me. I double tape everything. Oh, you know, because you have to package things nicely. So I double tape it too, but I don't want to damage the. I can repurpose these gorgeous wrapping paper, or even scan it and image it. So I'm going to probably, I know sometimes I can be OCD in here, but okay, there we go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me see. She asked me, what can I send you? I said, send me anything that it's not, you know, USA. Because I always like to get things, you know, from the other side of the world, things that we cannot get here. And she said she loved it. And oh my goodness, she went to that place. What is that? Stop Shop of Craft something. I can't remember. But oh my goodness, look at these die cuts. Oh, to die for. To die for. Oh. And my camera just shut down, so I have to like start all over again. And these are paper die cuts from Creative. Never heard about this brand. Must be an Australian brand, and I love it. Look at that. Summer. Very cute. And let's take a look at the other package here. Oh, you're my favorite. How cute. I love this, how she tagged things. I'm gonna keep that. And you know what, this time I'm gonna be smart, and I'm just going to open it from the top, so then I don't damage. Oh, she sent me more goodies. Let me see here. Wow. Okay. Oh, she sent me die cut paper heart shapes. You know what? I have the foamy ones, and I don't have like the paper heart shapes. Hot pink, light pink, and red. Oh, and she got me some heart shaped pegs. Oh, isn't this cute? Love it, love it. And she got me some paper doilies. Oh my goodness, never seen something like this before. These are really cute. Wow. With a white heart in the middle. And the last package. See? Let's see what we get here. Let's see how I open this up. I hope I'm in frame. Oh, she got me more goodies. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, she got me face bead stone embellishments. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this mermaid. I hope I'm not showing that much glare, but look at these mermaid stickers. They're like 3D stickers. Oh, I'm set for summer or a mermaid swap. Oh, look at this. How gorgeous. Oh, this ephemera. Oh, so gorgeous. And more. Make your dreams happen. Oh, and the stickies. Girls can do anything. Yes. Sunshine bags. Yeah, I believe right now in Australia they're during summer. Yeah, there's summer. We're in winter. Yeah, it's like the opposite. So it's summertime. So it's just so gorgeous. Oh, nice, very cute. Oh, and she gave me also the paper pad, the whole collection. How neat! I'm going to open these so I can show you. I don't want to damage anything. Oops. So there we go. Okay, so this is a paper pad. And look at these papers, how gorgeous. Like mermaid. Oh, I love these flowers. Oh, how nice. Very cute. Oh, how cute. I'm sorry if you hear some background noise. That's probably my husband playing with the dog. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. So she got me the whole collection. Thank you very much. Oh, Alisha, everything was so cute. I love it. I love it. And I love your flip book full of goodies. Hey, this is just such a gorgeous idea. I probably have to copycat you on this one. Oh, that is so cute. I love it. Definitely love it. Never thought about having something like this, putting pockets and very cute. Okay, so wow, so this is it from Alisha from Love Letter Generation. I'm going to leave the link of her channel and her Instagram account in the description box below. And since I don't want to make this video that long, I am going to continue with my other unboxing of Happy Mail in a next video. So that will be part 2. And again, if you watched the entire video, thanks very much. So please don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family. And if you haven't done so, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.